It's Tim here from YourSixTech. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to back up and restore your messages on WhatsApp. So this is really easy to do. Under the main WhatsApp screen here, let's go to the top right and go to settings and select this and scroll on down to chats. Now when we're under chats, we can scroll on down and there's an option for chat backup. We can just go to this and then we can go to backup our chats right here. Now how do you restore the chats? When you have it backed up, you can look at the last time you backed it up. Your messages are going to be stored in there, and if you ever lose access to your phone or wherever, you can retrieve those chats by deleting WhatsApp and then reinstalling it. So just go here and then go to uninstall and reinstall it, and there will be a pop-up message that says, do you want to restore your chats? So that's right after you type in your phone number and you get this little code. You should be able to get it back now. So just delete it, then go to the Google Play Store here and just download WhatsApp. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out.